Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how I make this yummy and amazing keema spaghetti with using only few ingredients that you will find in your kitchen. So without further ado, let's get on the video. So first off, I added some oil, throw in some onion in there, and then I added garlic and ginger paste, and then I sauteed it for a little while. Then I added some minced beef, give it a good mix. Now I'm adding salt and paprika. Now just mix everything and cook it for a little while, for like 5 minutes, and then I prepared tomato paste of 2 tomatoes, but you can totally add puree if you want. It's just me, I like my tomatoes to be fresh. So this is what I'm doing. So I'm going to let it cook now for like 20 minutes until all the water is gone. So now I added some bell peppers and green chilies because I like it. You can also add carrots or cabbage if you want. So then I added all my sauces, mix it all up, and tossed in my spaghetti. And I used half a packet for this recipe. Then I added my black pepper. Yes, I like to add my black peppers at the end. And this is it. I hope you guys like my quick fix spaghetti, and do try out this recipe, guys, and let me know if you like it or not. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel because I will be uploading more of these videos and it will be helpful for you. So that is it for today's video. Bye.